Ahe watsongo ka hina I manyanga ndzi ta kombisa so loko ku ri a wu se subscribe ni kombela u subscribe. Your subscription means a lot. That's why loko ni tshama ni kha ni endla video yin'wana na yin'wana ni tshama kha ni swi vula because the more the channel grows, the more the RPM and whatsoever swi vitaniwa yini sweswiya grow. So ni kombela ku tsongahata u subscribe whether u sungula ku visita or maybe wo vuya. Subscription ya wena nkoka ngopfu. Yeah, so namuntlha ni la ku vulavula hi the sniper chabin lexi nga huma, but however ni notice something, I don't know, maybe swi lo voniwa hi mina ku a ni swi kuma album ya Majojo ku huma na album ya Oscar Magama, but since Zuma handed himself in jail swi tikomba hi nga ri the rotation ya vona a ya ha fani. So the question that I'm asking, kombela mi hlamula, music wa Xitsonga wu treat it as a trend or you would treat it as a masterclass as it is, or as masterpieces as it is as music? Because I'm really confused here. What really happened? So I'm seeking answers from you. So I will mean kaswonenge and kasabi and really is I just wanna be short because knowledge it's more like no repeatable swivula. Loko huma album ya Bin Mayengani ya 2019 ka review liya ni nge ti album yapa kuna criticism liya ni nga yi vula layani ku it needs a proper production team. Leswi a ni vuliswa hi timhaka ta ku irregardless ya ku u na talenta ku fika kwihi, irregardless of how good can you write songs, how good of a vocalist you are, sound ina nkoka and creativity ka sound ina nkoka too. For an artist like Ben Mayengani, the pressure ya perfection or ya level ya karhi ya music yi le henhla, and this pressure is being forced onto Hlausikis. And I don't blame the fact that we can produce hits from the instrument. This one is a hit. Songs like Malamba means that he's a good producer, no? But then una limit, he has his equilibrium la ifika kuyelela kona sibara, no? And I think he's not yet ready to actually produce an album alone or so financial. After listening to the similar Sniper just very raporatico. Even before, because in some video, the first thing listening to is our randa similar and Gavilio Basa. Then it's a snippet of a new song and lead then Ninga on the page. I played it 10 times. Then look you in the elements ta pamechini ya rantlambi bese lokuyingena ifika ebhayi ngayo buzz. I'm not saying it's wrong to repeat your own instruments. I'm not saying it's wrong, but creativity means that as an artist you're always there to produce new sounds, new instruments, interesting things. So this one, it's gonna cost him too much because hype there is a new decade, but the other decade you won't see people are looking for new music. And the artistic things, there must be new sound which is gonna catch people's attention, because music teaches us in area 1990 to 1999 2000, one area 2000 to 2009 2010 we say one area will be decade mitan ribalela ni nga tirhisa radio air decade leti ni ku tihlaya. So ku va na decade ya vubeni from 2010 to 2020 nghena ka yin'wana history doesn't lie. A swi talangi ku dominate dominate the previous decade because sound ya cinca, new technology is there. Vanhu vo tala se va swi kota ku chaya music, so he has a lot on his pressure, like on his shoulders. So what I can say ku ya hi mina Hlausikisa need someone to assist him, regardless ya ku beno nyikiwe ku fika kwihi. He needs to improve sound wise, sonic wise, cause hey 2021 leyi yi nga vi big nyika malambani, so nga tshamba ni swi veki kahle hi ndlela ya polite leswi mi hleketa swona. So what's your take on that new snippet? Aye, shop shop.